Yo, you know see Elrico Legacy I represent for Michael Super Awesome channel. You see me as a like, share, subscribe, comment, click on the vlogging channel. You see me as a image jogging plan.
Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the development of St. Thomas. Welcome back to another update. You know if you do the do already, you know, do it. Viewers, so just do the do. Like, comment and share. And if you're new, just subscribe to my channel. When I do subscribe, turn on the notification bell. Put it on all so that when we drop a video, you're the first one to notify. That's our place on the video. So watch him out for me, viewers, manners and thanks. Today we are in Pamphret, St. Thomas, to be exact. And this is the first pavement. We have to catch up on them still, but we just show which part them start that one aside here. And them go and pick up the next side. So by the time if we start the next side, we will catch up on them. We couldn't see the live asphalt coming out of the machine. I can say viewers, but for now we are showing us a year, so them stop one leg. And what we say with it, what a Pamphret. And this is the first pavement. Viewers and subscribers. So in order to see the details and all these things, you know you got to stick and steer. You hear what I say, viewers? Yes, so as me say, we kind of reach late and thing, and out of Pamphret with it. So we said, stick and steer, because you know we are going through with details and we're going to see all the necessary things that you don't need to see viewers and subscribers. You get what I say? Yes, so we said we out of Pamphret with it, you know. First layer, this you know, viewers. First layer. So, you know, the first layer, very ordinary, normal, average. Yeah. But I get a little more about, you know, the second layer can build it up, no? Yeah, man. So this is the first layer of yours. And this is a rich late, so just stick and stay, because they must start. If you notice over there, so don't asphalt as yet. Yeah, that's some viewers. So just stick and stay, because we are going into details. Gone start the next side, which is over there, so we will catch up on them, okay? So as I said, stick and stay, do they do? We'll catch up on them. Yes, my viewers and subscribers, I will always tell you, St. Thomas time to shine. I remember back in the days when St. Thomas used to be the parish. Nothing now go on, nothing now send, everything more to move, everything, everybody move on left, more anything else. Yeah, so that's why I don't know about nobody else, but I'm proud of St. Thomas to see the upliftment that St. Thomas been getting at this present moment, the attention. Here I put on St. Thomas, we feel good, we feel a joy. So that's why I want to show it to the world. Bless it, bless it. Yeah, man, so that's why me proud of St. Thomas. I don't know about nobody else. Proud of the attention I get for now. Because back in the days, I be no for St. Thomas. You got St. Thomas, no. You know St. Thomas, no. You like St. Thomas, no. If you even look at a girl and she say, where you from? St. Thomas, no, sir. Then put it for all the poorest parish one at a time, and St. Thomas build the whole Jamaica. If you check the amount of truck from here, amount of sand what truck from St. Thomas to all over all over Jamaica. St. Thomas build the whole Jamaica, and no sand come from nowhere come to St. Thomas. None. No material come to St. Thomas. And every material left on St. Thomas. So St. Thomas build Jamaica. So anyway, we say we'll catch up on them viewers. Yeah, so the stick and stay as we say. Rain a fall in here, that's our next thing again want to make you know as you see. Whole heap of rain fall already. And that's why I'm late. Out there so you know because the rain kick off away Billias. That's a channel star. I don't tell them what a part of the brush. I don't think about it. That's a journal star, the rain fall, so anything can go, and when we check it out, them still a work, so We are here to show it now, viewers. So just stick and see as I said, huh? So my viewers, as you can see, I'm going to start the next side now, but you know, as usual, I'm going to get it prepared. So that I'm going to prepare it. So the machine here, so park up and wait for them to do the preparation first. Then them start the next side. But as usual, you know, the whole part traffic. And the traffic kind of make more time to work, and them can't work the professional way how them want to work. And you know me I say, because some people are disobey the flag person, some traffic man are disobey the flag person, and all them little things there, so you kind of think chaos, because when the flag person says stop, them still a pass and all them little things there, so you know, you don't know. But anyway, as Mr. Stick and Stake, I want to go see everything, okay, viewers and subscribers, I will say with the Pamphret Center, I say my umbrella this, you know, yeah, rain and fall. So just stick and see as I say, you don't know what they do, so just do they do. All now rain we out of viewers, and I couldn't see what I want. So my viewers, as I can see, prepare the joining part to join it. So then this was the part of them stop from longer time. So I then to clean it up and prepare it. I remove the mucky water and all them something there. So as you said, whenever I join the first side, so I couldn't see all them giant viewers and subscribers that we always want to see, you know. Because if you don't join good, anything on a men good, I go part, you know, I go be part of that time. So. Like a bad for this. Then we're rain and fall viewers and them out here. And the rain and plus asphalt hot stuff. Cha-cha. So viewers, now them about to start it, as you can see. The machine ready, about to move now. So but the umbrella breeze are blow the umbrella, but I open again here to viewers cast. Nice plus breeze. Just open again hear me. So the machine and it way now viewers. Yes, my viewers and my subscribers. So we say what? Center mass and it move, you know. So if them they call with the poorest parish, after when it done develop, what them all can call, you know. Speak your mind down in the comment section. Center mass be the poorest parish. Before it develop, and when it develop, what the name them all call, you know. So remember we got a Pamphret St. Thomas, that's where we have viewers and subscribers. So continue. Asphalt out of Pamphret. I remember it go right back to Yellas. I remember this is the first layer. First layer. Said. Yes, sir. So my viewers, them three gentlemen there. Oh, I'm to this truck man your father. Truck man has said the person. I can't tell us. You don't know enough. Sometimes the people come like they don't really appreciate to see the road and fix or the road. Like the person work on the flag man stop it. Where am I go? Where am I go? Oh, I tell you anyway. Those three gentlemen are from the work agency. In case you never know, those three gentlemen that you see there, they are from the work agency. So they are the worst, the one that you see with the 219 pocket. And the blue jeans, the brighter blue jeans. You know, you have to depend all the work site as much as you can. We see that everything done in the right way. He's the one that report back the work and make sure everything right. You understand? So in case you never know, no one will know. You get what I say, viewers? Okay. Process are different, you know, viewers. Process are different, man. When you want to play with the big boys, you want to bum bum, you want to play with the big boys. Thing we want to find out, viewers. Rain and fall and you can see the man who try the paver put up him umbrella. So what I want is them thing to make with cover. Yeah, can I put up him umbrella that means to say I'm willing to work all through the rain, which is good. You know, but what I say them thing they don't make with cover, like it's an all-purpose thing where if rain and fall or if sun hot, tap a cover in over it. I don't know. Comment down in the comment section and make me know. Big person upon the drum. On the roll with the big boys. So we see a Pamphret today, viewers and subscribers. St. Thomas, so they know what they do. So do they do, because them truck man and them traffic man are no easy, no job. Watch, you see the amount of sand but left St. Thomas viewers, if you check the truck them, I am telling you a long time the amount of material and left St. Thomas the way to go. And I can't understand how it are the poorest parish. Can't get that. Problem with the light wire and the truck viewers. If it come down, it go bust the light wire. Reaching somebody should have watch it when it go up. So it costs the pressure now have to go, not the pressure, the paver have to go reverse back so the truck can't come back some more. But I can't come down when it causes a little argument you know. So see, if you notice the paver have to come back some more. So the truck can't come back. It can't go down now. Nearly cause chaos. Anyway, they write out of the scheme was developed out of Pamphret and out of Casa Lagoon. That's the name of the hotel, you know, Casa Lagoon. That's where we are. That's them their viewers and subscribers. I continue with this asphalt paving. This is someone must say. The thing about it, I'm gonna like you, this is the side what just do. Right? Just do. And I'm gonna do the next side now. But the thing what me not like is that to a third world country, you find the vehicle mafia drive on this side, but just do. You know, you don't have a next way where you could avoid them from driving on it. Boy, I mean, I like the part you know, with all the big unit, the big truck them and all them things there. I pass on it. Some of us feel like say it I go sink some kind of really get the time to dry and them something there and so much vehicle are run on it, big truck. The amount of vehicle are constant been running on it and it just do. Comment down in the comment section and tell me if you as what you people think. If it's okay, if there's a problem or it's alright, because that's why most of the road them feel say sinky, so you know. Yeah. The amount of big chopper pass on this already. And it just do. I see if you notice the next side of do. Stick and stay. Do. Get your joining viewers. Nick like me there no viewers. Traffic left, traffic right, and how I use the thing. They just skip them like, you know when you look like they slip in the middle. Cha-cha. When them a drive like they naturally want to knock you through, you know. Yeah. Whole heap of traffic man, cause think kind of chaos more time. Soul. Them big old truck here man want run for the thing and they sink up the thing on the road no sector here. I tell me say man, they must sink up the road. Me don't believe this good feet. The road just do. Have them big thing you run for it. Although you have them big pressure you want to run for it still after pressing on. I don't know. Hope you don't hear me no viewers, because we're nice. Praise and etc. But anyway, we are out here, we're going to see what's going on in the work in progress. The development of St. Thomas said continue. And 2 minutes, you know, stopping in this zone until it complete. That's how we see it, you know. I'm not sure you was a traffic them man. Viewers and subscribers, now we bring it to make you see what go on at the development of St. Thomas. So we're out of Pamphret, St. Thomas to be exact. So we gonna see what I go on, so we'll show you the amount of work that them done already so far. Them a come from up with a blue truck there. But we not too want to walk on the road because the traffic man them a move away. Yeah. So bring it to them, gonna see what I go on. So hope you all enjoy this video. Just give me a like, man. See the thumbs up and press it up. So we say see you people in the next video, you know, see you travel on the gravel, you know. I'm out.